So now I'm going to try my Choco Butternut Munchkins. Let's see. Use it. Oh my god. I've hacked it. I've hacked the Dunkin' Donut Choco Butternut Munchkins. I'm so happy. This is something. So here is the ingredients for our base cake, which I will turn into a munchkins. So I will put the complete description in the description box, so you would be able to get the recipe. So you would have to preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius and then prepare your bake pan as well. Here, I already combined the flour, the sugar, and the cocoa powder. Then I am going to add baking powder and baking soda in the ingredients. So I have now put in the baking powder and baking soda, and now I'm going to add some eggs. Add the eggs, and then the milk. Also going to add, then we add the oil, vegetable oil, into the mixture, and then we would have to whisk this. Okay, now I'm having a hard time because I'm holding the camera, because I don't have a tripod yet for the camera. Slowly combine this. So now when all of the ingredients are already mixed well or have been incorporated with each other, incorporated, what a word. It's already like this, so this should be fine. So we set this aside, and then we're going to make the other wet ingredients to put in here. So we set this aside, but I've already put in the salt, and then I had hot water here. The color is like this because I used the cup, the 1 cup which I have already used for the all-purpose flour and the cocoa powder. That's why this is not that white. So this is like half a teaspoon of the coffee. You can use any coffee that you have at home, and then you just have to mix this. So this should be mixed well, and then afterwards, this one, we will have to pour this in our mixture, and all of this should be incorporated with each other. And our wet ingredients, or this chocolate cake, should be runny. So we mix this all together. So here is it. Just mix it very well. So we have to mix this very well. Ingredient should be runny. So I'll be putting my batter in a 5x9 loaf pan, glass loaf pan. Have already preheated the oven to 190 degrees. So we are going to put our mixture inside. It's hot. Okay. And we are going to bake that for 45 minutes. Here is the ingredients for the chocolate ganache. You would just have to melt this on a stainless bowl or a glass bowl on top of a boiling water. And here is also the ingredients for our butternut coating. And I will put the complete ingredients in the description box. So when you have already covered your chocolate balls with the butternut coating and the chocolate ganache, put a cling film on top, and then we put this in the fridge.